Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Raji Muhammad Sadiq, and in this video, I and my colleague Muhammad Ilyas Muhammad Ahmad will be presenting how we have came up to build our website for the PSI Public Space Improvement application. So I will be presenting the CSS part. So this website has been created with only with three programming languages. We have the HTML, which is hypertext markup language. We have the CSS, which is the Cascadian style sheet, and the JavaScript. So I will be starting with the CSS part. So now, as you can see here, this is our HTML code. This is all content created and included in our website. All what you can see here is what is included in our website. So, not to waste much time, as you can see from the top here, we type the HTML code, the head, the title, and everything. Then we link rel style sheet type text.cs text/css href style.css. So this is our CSS file that we will be using for styling this HTML code. And here I have opened my pstyle.css CSS file, and here you can see our CSS code. So I'll be starting to explain this CSS code one after the other. Yeah. So firstly, we have this here, which is the star, and then we have the curly bracket, margin is equal to margin 0, padding 0, font family centric, Gothic. So this means it will affect all of the attributes in this website. All of the attributes will be following this blueprint here. Margin 0, padding 0, and font family of the text in the website will be Gothic, centric Gothic. So now .title h1. How do we use .title h1? We come back to the HTML code, and then as you can see here, title, we have the title. So this will affect the title and the h1, heading 1. So the color will be long green and the font size will be 35px. So let's check this from our website. And as you can see here, we have PSI, Public Space Improvement, and the color is long green, as you can see from the CSS code. So now to the body. So the body here, we have background image URL, background one, the JPG. Yes, we have this as our background image. So background repeat, no repeat. So this means that the image will not be repeated and will only be displayed once on the website. So background size cover, that means the size of the image background will cover the whole website. And then background position will be center. It will be centrally aligned. So if you can open the website now, you will see that as you can see everywhere now, it's just only one image, no repeat, and you cannot see where it ends. It covers the whole website. So back to the CSS code, we have the header, display flex, justify content, space between, align items, center. Yes. So the header will be displayed in a flex mode. It will be justified to the space between, and align items, it will be aligned to the center. It will be centrally aligned. So now .logo img, width 150px, height auto, position relative, margin 20px, border radius 20px as well. So this one is related to the HTML code. So if you can see here, we create a header. Another header, we create div element and then class logo, and then we put an image. So this is our logo for the PSI application. So we have created a class here, which is logo. And this class is what we are using in the CS code to link that as that site. So we have .logo img. So this will be the property of the logo. And now let's check our website and see if it is true. As you can see here, this is our logo here, and then it has 20px, and then has border margin and everything as we stated from the CSS code. Yes, now to the UL. UL means unordered list. Yes. So for the unordered list in our code, the display will be flex. It will be displayed in the flex mode, and then the padding will be to the right will be 150px. Padding to the right will be 150px. ULLI. So for the ULLI in our code, display will be inline block. It will be displayed in an inline block order. And then for the ULLIA in our code, the text decoration will be none. Color, this. Padding, 5px, 30px. Border, 150px solid. And transition, 0.6 per second. And then ULLIA.hover, we have background color this and color this. All right, now let's show you how all of this will work on the website. Let's go back to our website. And then here you can see, as you can see that when we hover, it changed the color to white. Same here, and same here. And now let's check, are these buttons working? Let's start from the sign up. As you can see, when you click on sign up, it takes you to the public space improvement sign up page. So from here, you can sign up easily as fast as you can. Contact, when you click on contact, you can contact I as the developer of this application. And also you can contact my friend that Muhammad Ilyas, that we created this application together. So if you navigate back and then you come back and you say about, of course, you can see a description about this website on this page that it will take you to, that it will navigate you to. So we have created a document here that gives a full description on what this website is about. So not to waste much time, let's continue with our CSS code. Yes, to the next side, which is .main. .main, padding 60px. Now to the HTML code, we created a class here, div element, and the class main. So once we have a class and we modify with CSS, everything that's under this div element will be followed with that CSS code. So we say the padding will be 60px. Then to the website, as you can see that the padding for everything is 60px from this right here. Padding is 60px from both sides. And then HR, horizontal line. This is horizontal line because in our code we use HR. We use HR on the top here, and we use HR on the bottom here as well. As you can see, this is HR here. That is one of them. So as we mentioned here now, whatever we put here will be affected with this. The HR is going to be 1px solid black, and the margin will be 10px. And let's see if it is true on the website. As you can see, the thickness is 1px here, and also the same thickness here, 1px. They both have the same thickness as they were modified under the same segment in the CSS code. So now to the table. Yes, table thtd, table th, table trtd, table tr, and sdimg, and elimg as well. So we will focus on the table first. This is the code for the table. As you can see, we have table multiple times. Let's see how come. Let's go back to our CSS code, HTML code, and see where the table came from. Yes, this is our table, all starting from here until here. Yeah, as you can see, div class is equal to table. So that means that we have created a class for this, everything inside this div element. And I have created a table class for this table. So by the help of this class we created here, we can edit whatever we want to edit table from using the CSS. So our table must look like this. The border collapse is equal to collapse, width it must be 100%. So for the table, TH is table header and TD is table data. So border will be 2px solid black, padding will be 8px, and then text align will be center. All of the text will be aligned to the center. I will show you after I finish reading this to you. The table TH. So the heading of the table, background color will be this, And then for the table TRTD and the table TR, this means table row and table data. The background color will be transparent. So it will, when it's transparent, that means the background will be the background of the whole website. And then now let's see this from our website. Yes, border 1px solid, as you can see, the background is transparent and all of the texts are aligned to the center. As you can see, everything is aligned to the center. Everything is aligned to the center. Or is there anyone aligned to the right or left? No. So everything is aligned to the center. So that means what is in our CSS is reflecting on our website. Now to the last part, which is about the image. Yes, as you can see on the website, we added the image of the developers, which is I and my colleague. This is me, Muhammad Rajim Muhammad Sadiq, and Muhammad Ilyas Muhammad Ahmed. We added developers who developed this website. So let's go to the modification of these images. We said the width should be 150px, the height should be automatically set, position relative, margin 20px, and the border radius should be 100px. When the border radius is 100px, that means the image will be circular, because the border radius is the radius of the angles of the images, because normally it will be square or rectangle, depending on how the image is initially taken. So the border radius is the angle of the edges of the square. So when it is 100px, that means your image will be circular or oval. Yes. Same thing for .elimg, which is 150px. Height is automatically set. Position is relative. Margin is 20px, and the border radius is 100px. Now let's see this reflection of this code on our website. And before I go back to the website .sd and .el, I show you from the HTML code first. And as you can see here at the bottom of the code here, we have this is the image here. And then we have two classes created together, which is SD, class SD, and class EL, each class for each image. And that's how we came to .elimg here and .sdimg here. Now, if we check the website, you can see that the size is just like as read in CSS code. Both images are in circular form, and then the padding and the border are as mentioned in the CSS code. So from here, I'll pass the rest of the presentation to my colleague, Muhammad Ilyas, and he will explain the HTML part of the website. So I hope you enjoy our presentation and you understand deeply as we have created this website. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Doctor? And all his classmates as well. And thank you, Sadiq, for introducing this topic. And my name is Muhammad Ilyas Muhammad Ahmed, and my matric number is 822112325. I'm gonna present my part on designing this amazing website by the title Public Space Improvement, PSI. I'm the one who is responsible about developing the HTML code. I'm the one who built it actually. So, Doctor, I will try to explain to you how I wrote and designed all these things and put all these elements through HTML. And as you can see here in the top of the web page, we have this logo. This is our logo actually, and also we have these links. But before this, let me show you. As you know, Doctor, any website in this world, it's like consists of two or three elements. One is if you wanna develop your code through HTML, you have to have a head and you have to have your body. In the head part, it's just about all the elements inside head part is just about the technical, or it is describing the whole web page. Well, and in the body, you will find all the things regarding to the web itself, the informations, the link, the pictures, paragraph, anything inside website. It has been done is in body part. So we have here in the first doc type, as we know clearly, you cannot start any code, HTML code without this statement, doc type HTML. So after that, you have HTML, this closed tag actually, and we have here is the last also HTML. So all the things inside this two tags. So let us move on to the links. This is our link. Here you can see clearly this link is about if you want to know about us. So if you press this link, yes, here we are, public space environment app PSI. So this is a very small, simple description about our website, and you can read it as a whole if you want. But I think the time is not applicable to read all this. But yeah, if anyone want to know about us, you can just or she can read this. And here we have our contacts. So if you want to contact with us, you can come here and press this link. It will take you. Yeah, actually, this is our my group member Sadiq contact, WhatsApp contact actually. So you can contact him if you want to ask him about anything regarding to our website. And after that, here, if you want to sign up and to maybe to subscribe with us or anyhow, you can press here. Here you can type your name, and after that you may type your phone number. After that, you can easily press create an account, so you can create easily your account in our website. Yeah, this, as I told before, our logo is like this, and in the code you can see clearly with the logo. This is our logo GPH code address, and this is how we add the links here. So order list actually this LI list, and after that you have HREB. This structure. If you want to build or you want to add any links, you have to write this HREB equal. So after that, you can easily add any link you want to add. Okay, after that, we have our head one title, public space environment PSI. Inside this, we have an order list containing 4 subtitles actually, starting from here: A, originality and adaptability, and we have here B, innovation has been executed, and we have C and D, and in the last at the last we have E. In the code, you can see it clearly. Okay, here we have div. So div class, as doctor, it is just to give the CSS developer or designer the like possibility of controlling the colors on this section. So here I put div, so Sadiq in the future he may be able easily to control and adjust any things inside these 2 tags div. So we have here our head 1 public space environment. Inside this head 1, we have a lot of headings. Head 2 actually, it is yeah, as I said before, it's an order list starting from originality and adaptability. It's head two, number one. Inside this head two, we have head three, as you can see. Yeah, also inside this title head two, we have three head threes, or yeah, it is in an order list. We have problem addressed and solutions forward, and we have summarization. And inside all the three elements, you can see here clearly, I have here one paragraph here also, one paragraph. And in the code, I use this tag, as you know, clearly this tag is for creating, or if you want to write any paragraph, you have to use this tag. It is a closing tag, it is open tag actually also. After that, yeah, in the website, you can see clearly we have a table here. In the table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, and we have 6 columns actually, and 6 rows. Okay, let me show you how I build this. This is a table. If you want to do any or create any table, you have to start with a table tab, and this our actually table description or the name application interface. After that, here I'm going to start. In the table, we have two parts, table head and table body. So the table head, you can see here clearly this main sub one, sub two, sub and this sub five. This is what we call it table head actually. And under this, we have table bodies. So how I do or how I did the table head, you can see here, I after table head tag, I put the tr tag. Tr, that's mean a table row. And in the table head, we just have one row. Inside this one row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think 6 table table uh, table what sorry, rows and
Table column, right?
yeah, we have 6 columns inside this one row, which is main sub one sub, as I showed you in the website. So this is how I did it. After this table head, I came to build the body of the table. So inside the body, we have I think how many okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows, 5 rows with 6 columns. Well, this row one with columns, dashboard and report and issue, and until and then we have here another row with 6 columns. We have another row, 6 columns, another row, 6 columns. This is the last row, it is 6 columns. So here I'm gonna close this the tag, this is table body. After that, we have the last table tag. So here I close the table, and here you can see also div. So also starting in the future, he can control this part, like he can adjust the color of this table location inside the website if you wanna. So this is a benefit of div tab. After that, we have head one, head two. Innovation has been executed. This is part of the public space improvement PSI. So we have A, is originality and adaptability. We have C, B. Inside this B, we have an order list consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Targeted users. Inside this, we have general public and local authorities, and yeah, until here businesses. So you can see here how I did it. So here is a head two. Inside we have an order list. This is a list starting over here. is OL, which is mean orderless. This type. So in orderless, you have a lot of types. So you can put numbers, and you can put words, or no, sorry, you can put alphabet and some Latinians numbers also. So in our this order list, we use just alphabet, capital alphabet actually. Yeah, as you can see here. After that, you have here head 2, which is C, unique selling point. It's part of public space environment, PSI also. So inside this, we have also 3 elements. I did it using also the same technique, which is order list. Inside anyone, I have just a very short paragraph. So you have 3 paragraphs under 3 titles. So you can see here 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, the 3rd paragraph. In the last, before the last, we have a point D, significance level. This significant level is point D from public space environment. So you can see clearly it doesn't have any list, or I didn't need to put any list. It is just containing one long paragraph, and I will show you how I did this easily. So you can see here the head 2 title is clearly significance level. So nothing inside, just I have this piece paragraph tag if you wanna make paragraph, and this is our long paragraph. And lastly, we have point D, the developers. So here, Doctor, you can see, as you know, our group is containing of 2 students, me and Sadiq. Yeah, Sadiq, you can see here his pictures clearly. Picture is a group member, and this is a link. Actually, this link is LinkedIn, his LinkedIn account link. So if you press, it will take you. Yeah, it's moved to his account in LinkedIn actually. If I had not Mr. Checker. Yeah, LinkedIn. Sorry, doctor. I think it's because of internet. This is Sadiq account in LinkedIn actually. You can see here it's a picture or profile clearly. And this is background profile, and this is name Muhammad Sadiq. Yes, and this is if you want to know about him, show. So yeah, and this actually, this is me, Elias. This is my picture, and this is my link. So I don't have a LinkedIn account yet, so I put my YouTube channel link. Just if you press, it will take you to my YouTube channel actually. So because of time, I will not be able to do that. I will tell you in the code how we did it just lastly. So here you can see clearly this Sadiq picture. We do like this. I use IMG tag and SRC. This you have to type if you want to add any picture element. So you have to type SRC. After that, you can see clearly his LinkedIn account link. After that, here this is my picture photo actually, a profile photo, and here is my name, and this is my link, my YouTube channel link, and yeah. So as you can see, doctor, nothing else to explain. We came to the end. I came to the end of the website. So in first, I didn't talk too much about what's inside these elements, because I don't think you need me to talk about that. You just need to know how I put these elements in this web page, how I did this table, for example, how I make this order list and an order lists, and how I add these links, how I add the logo, how I actually this is you have horizontal line. So if you want to make this line, you just put HR, it is a cross tag actually. So it will give you this line. And yeah, so thank you, Doctor. I think I came to the end of my presentation. And thank you again. And the speech is to Brother Sadiq. Assalamu alaikum.